Assalamu alaikum grade 3 children. Today in this video we are going to start with the chapter 2, and in chapter 2 the poem trees are there. In last lesson children I said you about the trees and importance of the trees. Today in this poem we will learn more about the trees and we will see some new words also in the poem. Come and open the page number 28. Here on the page number 28 children, new words are there. 5 words are there with their meanings. And that very easy because the picture also it is given for you. So learn from them and see. Number 1 picture. Boughs, they are the curved branches. Beams, they are the rays of the light. Shade is what children? Cover from sun. Then drowsy, it is a sleepy. Drowsy, it is a sleepy. Then hum, it is whisper. In grade 3, no, I said this is the hum, it is a low sound. Now, children, here we will see the some information about the trees. That trees, they keep the soil on the ground healthy. Because of the trees, the soil of the ground, they are healthy. It is healthy. Then there are more than 23,000 different kinds of trees in the world. Trees growing in their natural environment have a larger life than the trees in the cities. That means the trees which are growing in the forest or in jungles, children, or away from the city, they are living the more life, longer life. When we cut the tree or when we cut the trunk of the tree, we see a number of growth rings which tells about the age of the tree. We should plant more trees as they gives us oxygen. Trees, they are giving us oxygen and they never harm us. They are our best friends, children. So come to the poem. This trees, the poem, it is written by the poet Harry Bent. And this poem is consist of the 4 stanzas. Number 1 stanza, trees are the kindest things I know, they do not harm, they simply grow. And spread a shade of sleepy cows. And see children, here the 3rd line again. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. And gather birds among their boughs. Here they are telling, that poet is telling, I know that the trees, they are very kindest things and they never harm to anybody. They are just simply grow. And they are giving the shade to cows and birds, they are making their nest on the trees. 2nd stanza, they give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of. They are giving us different kinds of fruits to eat and they are giving the wood also. उससे ही हमको लकड़ी मिलती है बच्चों. And with that wood, no, we are making our houses, doors and windows and all that. No, we are making with the wood only. In Kashmir, the children, many of the houses fully it is made up of wood. And leaves to burn on Halloween. Halloween, it is a Halloween. It is a one of the festival, children. And on that festival or in that festival, no, the leaves they burn. People burn the leaves. And in the spring, new birds of green. And in spring season, spring का meaning हमने आपको बताया था पहले भी. It is a season, children. So this they are just growing the another or the new leaves, birds of the green leaves. Then They are first when their days begin. See children, the line properly. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of the morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. So they are waking up very early in the morning. They are the first and they are touching the beams of the morning sun. Then they are the last to hold the light, and whenever this moon it is there, no, they are there only and they are holding the light when evening changes into night. And sunlight also and moonlight also, they are the last. Evening time also they are there only, so they are last to hold the light of the sun when evening changes into night. Now in fourth stanza children, and when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. And when the moon is there at night, children, they hum. Hum means they are just giving the very good breeze, children, or a good wind. And it is a poet is telling that it is what it is, lullaby. Lullaby means it is a very good song, or a song which is sung by the mothers to make their small children sleep, जिसको लोरी बोलते हैं बच्चों. And poet is telling that the trees, they are very kindest things. They never harm to anybody. They gives us many things and never ask anything from us. They just want to give us good atmosphere, fruits, wood, and home for the birds, and shade to the animals. So trees really, they are very good friends of animals as well as human being. So we must have to grow more trees and we must have to look after them, as they are the very useful for us and good for us. So in this video children, I am going to end the poem over here, and in tomorrow's session we will do the exercise of the poem. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.